Hi, my name is Kaylee and I'm a student recruiter with the University of Alberta. Having been a student at the U of A, one of my favorite parts about campus are the amazing spots to learn, study, and explore on campus. Today, I'm going to show you a few in the Faculty of Education that you can enjoy as a U of A student. Our first stop is up on the 4th floor of the Education Building. We've got two parts to the Education Building, north and south. We are currently on the north side, featuring stunning views of campus. This is a student favorite when it comes to studying. During the day, there is plenty of light, while at night, the warm glow of the lights here make for a very cozy studying experience, especially in the winter. The offices of the Education Students Association and the U of A English Language School are also found on the 4th floor of Education North. You'll also find yourself here for education student events, meetups, and lots more. It's definitely a central hub. Next up, we have the Technology and Education Space. This is available to all education students, offering a number of tech-related info sessions and workshops. One of my personal favorites is a session where you get to play with little robots. Tech in Ed is like a toy shop where students can get their hands on the latest and greatest inventions and explore how tech can be used to teach. They also have Google Glass and a 3D printer. Now let's go check out another cool space in the Education Building. Last but certainly not least is the ATEP space here in the Education Building. ATEP stands for the Aboriginal Teacher Education Program. This program is focused on increasing the number of Indigenous teachers equipped with a strong understanding of Indigenous perspectives, knowledge systems, and educational approaches. With over 95% of graduates actively working in education or leadership, students can complete the program through on-campus, distance, or off-campus cohorts, each with tailored admission requirements. Well, that brings us to the end of our tour. I hope that you feel a bit more equipped with information on all things U of A. This is certainly just scratching the surface, so if you want to explore more, be sure to visit us for a campus tour. Additionally, if you've got questions for me and my team, you can book a one-on-one virtual advising session at uab.ca/advising. We can't wait to welcome you on campus whenever your U of A journey will begin. Bye for now!